What I've started now is I have the impellers touching each other in the middle, the same amount of space on either side of the casing. I've made sure that I've now put the timing gears on place, that the holes all show up in the timing house so that it's equal. And the first thing I do is make sure I punch all the marks in there to keep the lock washer from spinning. Put one bolt, one washer on both gears, lock washer, lock nut, now I'll tighten down one. Tighten that one down as far as the impact will allow me to. Now what I do, I will take a 15 or a 16 thou shim and I'll place it in between the impellers. And I will rotate the impellers. If it goes through, try the larger size. Keep on going until it locks up. Have the exposed tip on either side of the casing, same amount on the top as on the bottom. Now in doing that, that has made the impellers equal from each other, locked in place, to allow me to check for gear lash. Now in between the teeth of the gears, there's usually 3.5 to 4 thou worth of lash. My next step is to put a 2 thou feeler gauge in between the teeth, which is approximately half of the lash. Then I take my impact and with pressure on the gear, pushing it against the feeler gauge, I tighten that down. Enough so now that I can actually remove the shims from the inside. Then I tighten down. Center nut. That has allowed me enough now that I can actually check my timing. And I again take that tip, knowing how much I was exposed the last time, expose that again, pull the feeler gauge out. Rotate the impellers, same thing on the other side. See if it'll pull out. That way you're looking at the tip on both sides equally. You know that you can move next step upwards. So when you have matched your tip equally on each side, and if you feel an equal pull, matching it also on the other side, an equal pull on the feeler gauge, you have achieved your timing. And if the feeler gauge in the middle has not achieved center to be able to get your timing, the way to get your timing would be to use a piece of aluminum on the gears and to tap it until you can get your timing.